Hi guys, welcome back to Car Trend. Today, we're taking a deep dive into a true automotive icon reborn for the modern era, the 2025 Volkswagen Beetle. With its rich history and modern upgrades, this beloved classic is back and better than ever. Let's see how Volkswagen has reimagined the Beetle for the 21st century. The 2025 Volkswagen Beetle retains the retro charm that made it an icon, but with a sleek and futuristic twist. The rounded shape, signature circular LED headlights, and flowing curves are unmistakably Beetle, while the sharper body lines and aerodynamic touches bring it into the future. The rear sports bold taillights and a subtle integrated spoiler, maintaining the balance between nostalgia and modernity. Under the hood, the 2025 Beetle offers two powertrain options. The standard model features a 1.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, producing 170 horsepower and 184 lb-ft of torque. For those seeking an electric option, Volkswagen introduces a fully electric Beetle for the first time. The EV variant is equipped with a 58 kWh battery pack, delivering 200 horsepower and a range of up to 250 miles, making it perfect for urban commutes and weekend getaways. Inside, the Beetle strikes a balance between retro vibes and cutting-edge technology. The dashboard features a minimalist design with a digital twist, including a 10-inch digital cockpit and a 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system supporting Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Iconic elements like the flower vase on the dashboard have been reimagined for modern appeal. Premium materials, ambient lighting, and comfortable seating make it a cozy space for drivers and passengers alike. Volkswagen hasn't skimped on safety either. The 2025 Beetle comes with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and forward collision warning, ensuring a safe and smooth driving experience. The 2025 Beetle starts at a competitive $25,000 for the standard gas-powered model, while the fully electric variant begins at $35,000. With its mix of nostalgia, practicality, and eco-friendly options, the Beetle appeals to a wide range of drivers. So, what do you think of the 2025 Volkswagen Beetle? Has it captured the spirit of the classic while embracing the future? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Car Trend for more exciting car reviews and updates.